Welcome to Voice Bootcamp, a global name in unified communication. In this chapter, we'll focus on Introduction to Unity Express. Unity Express provides a voicemail solution for a small business, running on the same router as CallMatch Express as a network module or as an AIM module. It can support IVR, auto attendant, fax messages, and based on whether it's a network module or AIM module, it can support anywhere from 8 port to 24 port session and up to 300 mailboxes. Depending on the platform and the hardware, you have different capacity. For example, AIM2 CUE-K9 can handle 6 port for voice. Maximum number of port available is 6. Maximum IVR session that is simultaneously allowed is 6. 65 mailbox and 14 hours of storage. So depending on your organization needs, you can configure or purchase the necessary model to support the mailbox and the number of ports. The maximum number of mailbox supported in Unity Express is 300. Unity Express signaling and session controls flows between the CCNP, CallMatch Express, and Unity Express module. However, the audio stream or RTP is between the IP phone and the Unity Express module. Unity Express only supports G711 and SIP protocol, and a transcoder is required when you are communicating with a network or a traffic flow that use G729. Now, to configure Unity Express, the first thing you need to do is configure CallMatch Express. Here, for example, I have when you insert a CallMatch Unity Express into the router and reboot the router, you will see an interface called Service Engine. This is the logical interface of the CUE module. In order to communicate with this module, you must bind this module to your physical interface where your CallMatch Express is running. So this is the IP address where my CallMatch Express will be running. So therefore, I'm going to bind this address to the Service Engine by typing the command IP unnumbered fast Ethernet 0/0 and then the sub interface. Once this binding is done, I'm going to assign the CUE module an IP address by typing this command service module IP address, and the IP address must be from the same subnet as the CME interface. Then you assign a default gateway to the module by typing the command service module default-gateway and the IP address of your CallMatch Express or the interface fast Ethernet 0/0. To route network traffic into the module, I must create a host-based